Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So if you have a Honda GX390 for your pressure cleaner or any other applications, we're going to be changing the oil on that. And so stay tuned. We're going to go over some of the materials. Like you are going to need a nice little oil pan, a little funnel, shop rags. I like to use some gloves, a nice little ratchet with a 12mm socket. And we're going to be using the Honda recommended oil, which is the 10W30. You could get these anywhere. I'll put some of the links below. They are affiliate. They help us out. We're trying to grow, and we can't do it without your support. So another one of the little things I want to cover in the future videos is using a pump saver after you finish using your pressure cleaner pump. Always want to make sure you get as much water out of it as possible, and you want to put some of this liquid in it so it prolongs your pump. And we're also going to be doing a oil change on the pump. In my particular case, I have a Simpson pump, which is a really nice one. And like I said, we're gonna go ahead and change the oil on that. So don't forget to like and follow. We got great videos coming. You don't want to miss any of them. So let's get to it, guys. All right, guys. So this is your drain plug right here. This crankcase has two of them, one on each side. This particular use, there's supposed to be a hole that lines up right here, but mine's just way off. It's not centered, so it is going to be it's going to make a little bit of a mess. And no big deal, we'll clean it up and we'll go from there. Remember, this is a 12mm socket, and the wrenches are a little bit tough to get in here, but it is still doable. All right, so let's get to it, guys. All right, it's not that tight. Make sure your little oil pan on the bottom lines up. All right, guys, so while we wait, there is a washer that comes with this bolt. Make sure it's nice and clean, free of any dirt. And once you do that, put it aside and wait until all the oil drains out. All right, so left it here for about 15 minutes, let it drip as much as possible. And we're ready to install the drain plug. Make sure everything's nice and clean. Make sure the washer is on. Don't over tighten this. This is aluminum, the case, so I mean it does have a little washer, so just be very careful with that. All right, clean everything, make sure it's all good. All right, guys, so this is basically like the fill, not the fill plug, but it tells you which is the black one. This was the one that tells you hey, you're full and you're ready to rock and roll. So we're gonna go ahead and use the one on the opposite side, which is the silver one, to put the oil in. All right, guys, so this is the fill side. Okay, we're gonna remove this one, and this is the one that's got kind of like the measuring indicators. So we're gonna go ahead and put our funnel in there, clean it up real good. Always make sure there's no dirt on, and make sure your little seal right here is in good shape. Make sure whatever funnel you put in here is nice and clean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, start putting in the oil. Don't pour all of it in. Keep an eye on the other side, so pour little by little. We're almost there. All right, so I took the whole quart. Okay, as you can see, oil is right there. Right on the edge. So 1 full quart, and we're good to go. Put this on, tighten real well, clean your mess, and we're gonna check the other side. All right guys, so once you do your oil change, and you do it to the edge like I showed you, you should be good to go. The engine, the manufacturer says 1.16 quarts of oil. I put in 1 full quart of oil. We're still good at that range. That will be your max. So it'll definitely overflow anything over 1.16. The way we did it with 1 quart, it was basically about to overflow, so we should be good. If you want to check your oil, or you use the machine, it's super easy. You use the little gray stick right here. Clean it. And you're good to go. So right here is where the oil is at the time. It's nice and clean, the way I like it. And that's it. So put it back. I mean, you should check it every time you're going to go use the machine. Alright, and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and follow. We got great videos coming. Remember, some of the links below are affiliate. They help us out. Can't grow without your support. Alright, to the next video.